Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about why consistency is so important when it comes to becoming an entrepreneur. Now, there's the pros and cons to being an entrepreneur. The major benefit is, you are your own boss, and that's the thing that really, gets a lot of people interested in, becoming an entrepreneur is the thought of being their own boss. Not having someone there to tell them what to do and when they can go on break, but being able to decide for themselves, how they want to live their lives, and that's really the major benefit to being an entrepreneur. However, the downside is you are your own boss. So in this video, I want to talk specifically about why being consistent is so important when it comes to building any sort of online business. So consistency, is something where, I'd say the majority of people, are not able to be consistent when it comes to actually choosing to get things done in their business. Things like, producing content, advertising. These are things that oftentimes, at least for a lot of beginners, they're things that are, out of your comfort zone. And, for this reason, it's something that, tends to hold a lot of people back from being consistent is that, I'd say especially if you are currently working a 9 to 5 job, it can be very easy to put off something and give yourself a reason as to why, you can maybe do it the next day or, something like that, on why you could, put it off. But ultimately, when it comes to, having a long-term successful business, you need to be consistent in your efforts. You need to be willing to put content out there on a consistent basis. You need to be willing to create videos. You need to be willing to, spend time every day on personal development. You need to be willing to learn new things every day. And if you aren't willing to do that, then it's going to be very difficult for you to actually see long-term success in your business. You may end up getting sales, here and there, but if you're looking for long-term success in your business, you will need to put in consistent effort. And that's really something that I want to actually, put out there. And a lot of people, they, like I mentioned, they really struggle with this. So I want to talk specifically about how you could become more consistent when it comes to, building a business. So my number one recommendation, actually, whatever it is you're going for, it could be affiliate marketing. Maybe you're looking to build a network marketing business as well, or maybe you're even looking into e-commerce. Whatever it is you decide to go in, what I personally recommend is you start with actually setting yourself a goal. You can create yourself a goal card, something you carry, with you wherever you go, and you just look at it several times throughout the day. Where it is that you would like to get in your business. How much you would like to make, and you got to be willing to, actually know what it is that you are willing to actually put in there. Actually put in order to get those results. And another thing that I recommend is having a daily journal that you write in on a daily basis. So something that I've been doing actually for, I'd say almost 2 years now, is I have this notebook with me that I pretty much write in every single day. So right before going to bed, I would write in my journal, the things that I got done that particular day, things that I maybe could have done better, and then what I plan to do, the next day. And this is something that I feel has really, helped a lot with, being consistent. It's really helped me with, making sure that I know exactly what it is that I need to be working on that particular day. And then I also write down at the very bottom of each paper, like my goal that I'm, aiming towards. And this is something that, like I pretty much write, the same exact thing as the goal. I write that down on pretty much a daily basis before I actually go to bed. And this is something that I feel really does help with, being consistent when it comes to building any type of business. And that is really important. You have to be consistent if you want those long-term results. And most people, unfortunately, are just not willing to be consistent. They'd rather, just watch a bunch of videos, bunch of motivational videos on YouTube. Maybe they do buy into some sort of mentorship program, but they consume the content, then they're like, I don't really understand how to do that, or that seems like too much. No, I'm gonna actually not do that. They're always looking to cut corners when it comes to building the life that they so secretly want. And that's just not something that, if you are looking to have above average results, you cannot have, average habits, you know what I mean? So that's really the message that I wanted to put out there. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know what you thought in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could start building an online business, a sustainable online business, there will be a link in the description that'll give you access to a webinar where it'll show you how to pretty much market anything online. So if you're looking to do affiliate marketing or network marketing or e-commerce, whatever it is that you're looking to build online, this webinar will allow you to, have a very linear strategy on how you could actually build your business online and have it actually be profitable. So hopefully you enjoyed the message there, and take care.